Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2021 Toyota Highlander Hybrid maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, up, down, left, right, OK for enter, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Now you're going to see these options right here. Go ahead and use the up and down to go find your page, which is... Actually, go ahead and press back first. As you can see, they tell you to press back. Okay, now go ahead and scroll up or down to go find your page, which is here in the setting. And when you get here, go ahead and scroll right all the way down until you find detail setting, and go ahead and press OK and hold on it. Okay, now go ahead and scroll down to schedule maintenance, enter on it. Scroll up to yes, enter on yes, and we are done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.